to run remote preset with Spooky2 Scalar. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to run remote preset with Spooky2 Scalar. Set up your Spooky2 Scalar with Generator X. Open the Spooky2 software. For example, I want to run Cancer RJW in Spooky2 Scalar. Go to the Presets tab and choose Cancer, Remote, Cancer RJW. Click Home button to return to Home directory and untick Load Programs and Nodes. Then, choose Shell Presets, Scalar, Spooky Scalar General SSJW. As you can see, in Programs column here, it still shows Cancer frequencies, Rife Original, CUST. Go to the Control tab, tick Overwrite Generator, and click the Generator port. Click the Start button to enjoy Rife Scalar. Go to the Settings tab. You can see this is the original settings in Spooky Scalar General SSJW. Go to the Control tab. You can see that you are running the Scalar Shell preset with frequencies in the remote preset you choose. Cancer frequencies, Rife Original, CUST. Thanks for watching this video. Do you have other questions about Spooky2 Scalar? Welcome to tell us.